Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. makes some horrible noise. Well, those teeth are gone.
When we bought the house, there was a workbench that sit right there. Looked like something where somebody did craft work. They jammed those 2x4s in between the studs to act as shelves. Not good shelves, just shelves. And for me to put in my bin racks, I needed to take those shelves out. I looked at them and they toe-nailed them in and then stuck another board on top of them. So pulling the nails is going to be problematic. So I decided, Sawzall. I didn't know it at the time, but the first one was put in with cement nails. They go through a blade like nobody's business. Then I tried this short one and it just bounced out of there. It didn't hardly cut at all.
Need a longer blade. Cobalt. It's supposed to be good to 18 gauge. Well, that went through. There. Well, the rough part of the work's done. Now I gotta paint some shelves.
It's Thanksgiving in a couple of days, and we don't want the house to smell like paint. So no paint the shelves right now. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. This project's coming along fairly well. About time for things to go to pieces.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.